When I first was asked to be on the lecture pilot, I was really quite worried because obviously it was me and anybody could see it and they could hear my voice, and your voice never sounds good. And everybody would be looking at my slides, and I was really, really worried. But actually, when I actually started and realized that I had total control, I could turn it off, pause it, do what I wanted to do with it, I was really quite chilled, and the students quite liked it. The first couple I sort of edited and cut out the beginning of the noise and the bubble before. But actually, once I learned how to do the pause quite well, and I would stop it when there were students' questions because they didn't want to be on the film, or if I wanted to give what I call value added for turning up, then I would press the pause and give a little tidbit about the assignment or a piece of information, and then I would set it again. So all the lecture was actually recorded, but the value added that you get from coming and the interest from interacting with the students, sometimes I cut that out because I actually, although I really like the lecture capture, I do think that if people are actually going to make the effort and they're going to come in on a regular basis, you have to give them an advantage, a little advantage, not a huge advantage. And once I realized I had total control over that, I was much more relaxed about it.